Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see sub pipeline in Jenkins. So let's get started with today's video. So simple concept of sub pipeline is that when your main pipeline is running, inside that you run any other pipeline as well. So let's quickly create a sub pipeline. So let's create our child job. That will be a pipeline only. Let's create, and here, so just try hello world sample pipeline. Okay, this is very simple pipeline. So let me just paste mine. So here parameters I'll be taking that will be from main job will be passed here. So git branch and app version will be passed from there. Otherwise default value also I have passed. And I have just printed those parameter that sub pipeline triggered and print whichever parameter we got from main job. So now let's create our main job. So give title main job only. That will also be a pipeline. So now let's write environment variable. So here also branch and version I will be writing. So now write branch, and let's say that it's a dummy, so I'm just passing sub pipeline job. After that version is there, so version let's say 20. So now let's change stage name triggered sub pipeline. So now let's printer, let's say triggering sub pipeline, and also let's print our variable which is there in main branch. So print branch with branch variable, then print version also env dot version. So now write build, then write job, pass the job name child job. After that write parameter. So here we will be passing build version, branch name, these two. Let's copy and paste. So now here so here remove description, we don't need that. So now here curly bracket will not be there, it's a parameter, so it will be as an array, square bracket. So now let's copy this env dot branch and pass in default value. Same for version. Okay, default value will not be there here, it will be value only. So pass in double inverted. So now let's pass one more, wait equals to true. So we want this main job to wait until this child job finishes. So now let's save. Let's start one build. So this build failed. Let's go and check console. So here it's running on Jenkins, triggering sub pipeline branch version, and at last error, no item name child job found. Okay, so I have passed a child job name as wrong. So let's go to configure once again. So correct the job name. Now let's save and give one more build again. So this one I think looks moving forward, scheduling project child job, and here you can see starting build and build a child. Here it says completed status. So here if you will click on child job #1, so that is first job it ran as of now. So you can check console of that. If I click console output, so here you can see sub pipeline triggered. Here git branch sub pipeline job version also 20 it's taken, that is from main pipeline. So that's how you can now create a sub pipeline. This is one which I have shown you as a separate build. Another is you can create a file also sub pipeline, so that I'll show you in another video. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt in this video, please comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.